Unlocking the profitability of your bowling alley.
Welcome to our discussion about what it takes to make a bowling alley profitable. In this video, we will go through the main factors that contribute to the success and profitability of owning a bowling alley.
What are the key revenue streams?
Firstly, let's understand the main sources of income for a bowling alley. Revenue streams usually include lane rental fees, shoe rental fees, food and beverage sales, and arcade games if available. Bowling alleys may also host leagues, tournaments, and special events, which can generate significant income.
How can you minimize operational costs?
Operating a bowling alley involves many expenses. These include wages for employees, utilities, property rent or mortgage, equipment maintenance, insurance, and taxes. Keeping these costs down is a major factor in your bowling alley's profitability. For example, efficient use of energy, effective staff scheduling, an optimized maintenance schedule, and suitable insurance coverage are all key to minimizing your costs.
How important is location and market demand?
The location of your bowling alley is crucial. You'll want to be in a place where there's sufficient market demand. Factors to consider include population density, demographics, local competition, and accessibility. The success of a bowling alley is also heavily influenced by the local interest in bowling. Understanding your market can help you create strategies to attract and retain customers.
How can you enhance customer experience?
Bowling is more than just a game, it's a social experience. The quality of customer service, the ambiance of the alley, and the variety of services you offer can all affect how often customers return. Offering promotions, hosting special events, and having good food and beverages can enhance the customer experience and keep people coming back. Ion 5. What role does effective marketing play? In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is vital. Utilize social media, create a user-friendly website, engage with customers online, and leverage online advertising to reach potential customers. Effective marketing strategies can significantly increase the visibility of your bowling alley, helping to attract new customers and retain existing ones. RVing costs, understanding your market, providing excellent customer experience, and utilizing effective marketing are all crucial elements in the profitability of owning a bowling alley. Here's hoping that this video gives you a better understanding of what it takes to make a bowling alley profitable. Best of luck with your bowling business venture.